back to another. Today we are playing
Save Cracking Simulator.
and we're playing with
It's Flames.
and today we're gonna see who runs the fastest out of everyone. Me and it's Flames.
As
Ready?
you can see, we have a bunch of pets.
Yeah, we have a bunch of pets. We grinded on this game. Well, I'm already at the end. Giovanni's still working his way. So ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
No, you crashed into me. I'm too close to you. No.
Dude, I'm a best at this game.
Why do you have a crown on your head?
I don't know.
How far can you go? I'm barely not that far. Oh, you could go past out here.
Yep, and then I won. Because this is the only place I could go.
I can only go here.
Well, I already unlocked all the areas.
You could go farther than that.
I have all of the best pets. I have the best sword, and I'm just waiting on the update.
I'm saving up for this area right here.
The jewelry area, which is the diamond one.
Yeah. That's because we started the exact same day, but
No, we didn't.
he started first.
We didn't start the same day.
Wait, that's what you said it was your first time playing.
No, I didn't. I said I barely started playing yesterday. Well, it wasn't yesterday, during like when we started playing. So yeah, guys. I hope you guys like the racing things. And don't forget to leave it a like on this video and comment and share with all your friends. Yeah, if you guys hear lightning in the background, it's
raining.
Yeah, it's raining outside and there's lightning. I might as well close the door. Maybe, I don't know. Cause it's hot in my room. Well, this game, if you guys want to play this game, it's called Save Cracking Simulator. It's a really cool game. I don't really play it a lot,
But I do.
Yeah, it's Flames plays it a lot. I just sometimes it's because I get back from school late, and sometimes I don't have time to play.
But I get out of school at first.
Yeah, and I'm also sorry being gone for a long time of YouTube. And I was at California at Disneyland, so I was busy. Here, and this is the coming soon area. And I don't know when it's gonna come, but it says it's coming soon. So that means I think I know it's coming. It's probably tomorrow. If you guys know when it's gonna come out, just comment down below and tell me when. And the lightning, I don't know if you can hear it, but
It's lightning.
yep, it's lightning. Just don't be scared or anything.
He has way more pets than me.
Yep.
I thought I had a bunch.
Well, I did buy some game passes.
Yeah, I bought game passes.
Oh, let's race again. Did you have your double thing on? That's why.
What thing?
The double thing. We could run twice as fast.
Oh, no, I didn't. Look.
I know. The only game passes I found is Infinity Range. It's Infinity Range. And 2 times speed. I forgot which one.
Did I buy
else
2
was
times
there.
speed?
Yeah, you did. 2 times speed.
Nothing really.
And 5 plus pets. 25 plus pets. I'm pretty sure that's all, but I'm not sure.
These are the game passes right here.
Yeah, Lumium Legacy came out. I'm gonna be making a video soon on it.
It's because Red 4 haven't come out.
Yeah, Route 4 hasn't come out.
They're working on the game forever.
I know. It kind of sucks. Okay, ready?
Way over here, dude.
Ready? Get set, go.
Ah.
Okay, as you can see, I'm beating Giovanni.
By
He's
a
not doing
little.
so good. Not even by a little, look.
For me, yeah. I'm so close. I passed you.
I did. Oof, my game is super laggy. Let's start all over since my game was lagging. Come on, let's start all over. Go back.
I want to touch it first.
Come on, dude. Don't waste
I
some
wanted
time.
to touch it.
I know, but don't waste time.
That will take forever.
That game is starting to lag.
Well, yes, because you.
Look.
Yeah. Oh. Look at mine. Mine's not even lagging.
Oh, yeah. Okay, now. Oh, what the? I went through.
Through where?
Through the wall.
How are you behind? I see you. Oh, probably you went through the little gap.
Yeah, but I can't fit under.
No, this gap over here.
That's like. No, I didn't. I went through it. Okay, ready? Get
Set.
set, go. Gosh, dang. You guys saw that, guys. I was lagging super hard. Dang it, guys. My brother's gonna win this one because of my lag. And he's gonna say it's an excuse.
Why am I going that way?
Ooh, I'm winning. Ooh, 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 ooh.
For me, it does not show that you're winning.
I'm winning.
For me, it shows I'm winning.
No, I'm winning.
For me, it showed I was winning.
Oh, I already won. I passed the thing.
I wanna give him more.
I won. You bought it?
No.
Yeah, you bought it. That's why I have 2 million. By the way, I'm in level 344. I'm like the best player.
I did not
Well,
buy
I am the
it.
best player. So thank you guys for watching this video and
Guys,
subscribe and
leave a like down below. But before you end this video, I did not buy it. You can even see on my screen right now.
oh, what the? He ran through it. But it says you have 2 million. So bye guys. Thank you for watching
can I
and
open
leave
the
a
box?
comment. Bye.
No, I cannot open the boxes.
He did not buy it. He's saying the truth, guys. He did not buy it. He did not buy it.
Give you my heart.